Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger side outside mirror assembly. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A Phillips screwdriver, flat tip screwdriver, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 2 different type door panel removers, and dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a passenger side outside mirror assembly. I bought this from the Toyota dealer. Okay, first we're going to be removing this plastic piece. Then we're going to be removing this plastic piece. Okay, so we're going to be lifting up this armrest. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this Phillips screw and this Phillips screw. Okay, removing this plastic retainer, just push this button in and take this guy out. Okay. So I'm going to be removing this panel, so we're going to be prying it out. So we're going to be lifting it up. Okay, so we're going to let it hang. So right in here, I'm going to be disconnecting my electrical wire for the meter. Okay. And these 3 bolts, I got to remove that. So we're going to be removing the mirror. So I'm going to be removing this plastic mount for the wire because the new one comes with it. So I'm going to be installing the new mirror. And bolting it up. So I'm gonna be putting in this clip right into the door. Put some dielectric grease in my connector and connecting the connector. Okay, so before I put the door panel on, I'm going to test the mirror to make sure it works. So the mirror works, so I'm going to be putting everything back together again. So I'm going to be hooking on my door panel to the top of the door. I'm going to be snapping it in. Putting in my plastic retainer. Putting on this screw. put on this screw. Putting on this plastic piece. The armrest. And this plastic piece. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a passenger side outside mirror assembly. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.